Welcome to day 16 of our series, 100 Daily Routine English Sentences. I am so proud of your commitment to practicing every day. Your progress is amazing. Today, we're going to talk about something that can be a little scary, but is also one of the most rewarding parts of learning a new language: making new friends. Picture this. You are in a new environment, maybe a new job or a new city. You see interesting people around you, and you want to say hi, but you freeze. The English words disappear. You stay silent, and another opportunity passes. This happens to English learners everywhere, but today, that fear ends. We will learn the simple, polite, and confident phrases you need to start conversations and turn strangers into friends. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will make you a person everyone wants to talk to. Ready? Let's make some friends. Part 1. Starting the conversation. These are the magic words that can open the door to a new friendship. They are simple, friendly, and work in almost any situation. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause, and then I will explain the meaning and purpose of each sentence. Hi, how's it going? This is a very common and casual way to say, how are you? How's it going? Is friendly and relaxed. Perfect for starting a conversation with someone your age or in a casual setting. Excuse me, is this seat taken? This is a very polite and useful question to ask if you want to sit next to someone in a public place, like a cafe, a library, or on a train. Taken means occupied by someone else. I love your jacket. Giving a specific and genuine compliment is a wonderful way to start a conversation. A compliment is a polite expression of praise or admiration. You can comment on anything: their jacket, their bag, their shoes. It makes the other person feel good and opens the door for a chat. That looks like a great book. Commenting on something the other person is doing, like reading a book or listening to music, shows that you are observant and interested. You could follow this up with, "What is it about? Beautiful day, isn't it?" Talking about the weather is a safe, easy, and universal way to start a conversation with anyone, anywhere. It's a classic for a reason. What a cute dog. What breed is it? People love talking about their pets. If you see someone with a dog, complimenting the dog and asking a question about it is almost always a successful conversation starter. Sorry to bother you, but do you know what time it is? Asking for simple information, like the time, is another very easy way to start talking to a stranger. It's a low-pressure way to break the ice. I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations? This is a perfect opener if you are new to a job, a city, or even just a new cafe. Asking for recommendations or advice shows that you value the other person's opinion and experience. Shadowing practice. Starting the conversation. Perfect! These phrases can open doors to friendship everywhere. Now let's practice them in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? Excuse me, is this seat taken? Excuse me, is this seat taken? I love your jacket. I love your jacket. That looks like a great book. That looks like a great book. Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it? What a cute dog. What breed is it? What a cute dog. What breed is it? Sorry to bother you, but do you know what time it is? Sorry to bother you, but do you know what time it is? I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations? I'm new here. Do you have any recommendations? Part 2. Introducing yourself and asking questions. Once you've started the conversation, you'll need to introduce yourself and ask some simple questions to keep it going. Let's learn these phrases one by one. By the way, my name is Sarah. By the way is a fantastic phrase we use to introduce a new topic or a piece of information into a conversation. It's a very smooth and natural way to offer your name. What's your name? A simple and essential question. It's nice to meet you. This is the classic and polite thing to say after you learn someone's name. So, where are you from? This is a great question to learn about someone's background and origin. What do you do for a living? For a living is a common idiom that means for your job or profession. It's a polite way to ask about their work. How do you like living here? This is a great open-ended question that invites the other person to share their opinion about the city or neighborhood. What do you like to do in your free time? This is a perfect question to ask about someone's hobbies and interests, which can help you find things in common. That's really interesting. This is not a question, but it's a very important response. It shows that you are listening and engaged in what they are saying. Shadowing practice. Introducing yourself and asking questions. Excellent! Now you know how to keep the conversation moving. Let's practice these phrases. Repeat each sentence once after me. By the way, my name is Sarah. What's your name? It's nice to meet you. So, where are you from? What do you do for a living? How do you like living here? What do you like to do in your free time? That's really interesting. Part 3. Making plans and ending the conversation. This final section is about turning a good conversation into a potential friendship by making plans and then ending the conversation politely. You seem really nice. We should hang out sometime. To hang out is a very common informal phrasal verb that means to spend time together socially. This is a clear and friendly invitation. Would you like to get coffee sometime this week? This is a more specific invitation. Sometime this week makes the plan feel more concrete and real. Let's exchange numbers. A clear and confident suggestion to stay in touch. To exchange numbers means you give them your phone number and they give you theirs. It was really nice talking to you. A classic, polite, and warm way to signal that you are ready to end the conversation. Well, I should get going. To get going is a very natural and common idiom that means to leave. I hope I see you around. To see you around is a friendly and casual way to say you hope to meet them again in the future. Have a great rest of your day. A very polite and positive way to say goodbye. Shadowing practice. Making plans and ending the conversation. Fantastic! Now, let's practice these final phrases for making connections. Repeat each sentence once after me. You seem really nice. We should hang out sometime. Would you like to get coffee sometime this week? Let's exchange numbers. It was really nice talking to you. Well, I should get going. I hope I see you around. Have a great rest of your day. Part 4. Real conversation practice. Incredible! Now that you have learned all these individual sentences for making a new friend, let's see how they can be used in a new, natural, flowing conversation. In this part, I will play both roles of a conversation between two people, me, Sarah, and Mark, who meet at a coffee shop. I want you to repeat each line after me in the pause to practice your rhythm and intonation. Let's go.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead. It's free.
Thank you so much. It's so crowded in here today.
It really is. By the way, I love your tote bag.
Oh, thank you. I got it at a little market last weekend. I'm Sarah, by the way.
It's nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Mark. Are you new to this neighborhood? I haven't seen you around before.
Yes, I just moved here about a month ago. I'm still learning my way around.
Welcome to the neighborhood. How do you like living here so far?
I love it. Everyone seems so friendly, and there are so many great cafes like this one.
That's true. This is my favorite spot. So, what do you do for a living, Sarah?
I work as a graphic designer. What about you?
That's really interesting. I'm a teacher at the high school just down the street.
That's so cool. Well, you seem really nice. I'm trying to meet new people in the area. Would you like to get coffee again sometime this week?
I would love that. Are you free on Thursday afternoon?
Yes, Thursday is perfect. Let's exchange numbers.
Great. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Sarah, but I should get going.
You too, Mark. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too. I'll text you later.
The final secret. Incredible. You've just mastered 24 essential sentences to make new friends in English. You are building a powerful foundation for creating real human connections. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will make you a person everyone wants to talk to is this. Be interested, not interesting. Many people think that to make friends, you have to have amazing stories, a perfect job, and an exciting life. They focus on being interesting. But the truth is, the most likable people are the ones who are interested. They are genuinely curious about the other person. They ask good questions. They listen carefully. When you make the other person feel like they are the most interesting person in the room, they will love talking to you. So, my challenge to you is this. For today, I want you to have one conversation in English where your only goal is to be interested. Ask at least 3 follow-up questions. Try to learn something new about the other person. Share your experience in the comments below. Join me tomorrow for day 17, where we will dive deep into the world of banking and money matters. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.